Good evening. We are here in Masina to go, and there's a tourist stand. Let's go inside and let's have a room tour. Ito, dito si tatay namin. Again, we are in Masinag ship to go. And there are lots of beds there. And hi! Here's our room. Ito yung sa akin na ginawa na yung tambakan ng gamit. Because kasya naman kami sa isa. So, ito siya. Iilaw, hindi pa yung mamaypay ko. Yan, may nalagyan siya. May sabitan. Yan, the curtains. Nalalak siya, by the way. Tapos ito, sabitan din yan. Yan, lalagyan. Yan, ito yung life jackets. And dito tayo sa room. Tulugan. Tada! Light. Yung kumot. Pinag-isa. Ginawa ng bedsheet. Yan. Isabitan na doon phone. Or a movie. Yan. Isabitan din doon. And, that's all. You should go for Masinag, guys. Tourist. And, meron pa. May iba pang rooms. Yeah, bye.